Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Supercell ID from your Supercell game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to disconnect your Supercell ID from your game, then there are two different ways of doing this. First of all, open this game and then tap on the menu icon and then tap on your Supercell ID. Once you open it up, you can tap on the gear icon, and now from the various different settings, you will need to either switch your account into a different one or you will need to log out from this account. Proceed with either one of these options and then log in or sign up to a new Supercell ID, which will disconnect your previous ID from your account. You can also proceed to play the game without logging in to any Supercell ID, and the game progress will still be saved locally within your device. The other method is to simply uninstall the particular game within which you wish to disconnect your Supercell ID and then reinstall it once again. After doing this, make sure not to log back into any Supercell account, and your Supercell ID will be successfully disconnected from your game. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to disconnect your Supercell ID on the respective games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.